Let's dive into the magic of vinegar for crystal clear windows. It's a natural wonder. White vinegar is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a window's best friend. Start by pouring vinegar into your spray bottle. Just about half the bottle will do. Next, fill the rest with water. Equal parts water and vinegar make the perfect mix. Give it a good shake. This blends your natural window cleaner beautifully. Spray the mixture onto the window. Just a few spritzes should do. Now, take a cloth and wipe. It's incredible how quickly it cleans. Look at that. Your window is not just clean, it's vinegar clean, streak-free and shiny. That's the vinegar method for you. User-friendly, effective, and non-toxic. If you found our guide helpful, please like this video, comment with your thoughts about window cleaning, and share it with friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical home care tips and tricks. See you next time.